Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. Sorry, I was just having some technical difficulties earlier. I am actually on my laptop at the moment, so you guys normally see me in my lovely home office with lots of lighting. My ring light actually decided to stop working yesterday, and these things take a while to order in again, so I do apologize. You guys probably can't see me at all. I see that there's a window behind me, but this was actually the best lighting that I could find, and it's still horrible. So I am sorry, but that's okay because we are going to be talking about how to get the most cooking classes and how to share Epicure as much as possible because it is August 19th and Epicure USA starts tomorrow, you guys. This is so exciting, and I will be going over quickly your Fast Start program just to sort of remind everybody all of the incentives that Epicure is being so nice in offering you for getting those cooking classes off to a good start. Okay, so just as a quick, lovely reminder, month one, if you hold 4 cooking classes, you will earn your Epicure consultant pin plus $100 Canadian free product credit or $75 US free product credit just for holding, you guys, 4 cooking classes. And that does not include your commission that you will be making from those cooking classes. So that's on top of that. In month 2, if you hold another 4 cooking classes, so that would be 8 now in total, you will earn another $175 Canadian or $150 US business kit reimbursement. So that means that money you had paid towards your business kit, you will be getting that money back that day. How amazing is that, you guys? That is so nice. But that's not all. Month 3, if you hold another 4 cooking classes, so that will now be 12 in total, you will earn a free conference registration. That is huge, you guys, because our conferences are everything. Honestly, they are everything. You will leave being so inspired. You will learn from the best of the best, our leaders, our directors. That is quite an amazing prize. I would have to say better than the free product credit, free everything. That is just amazing, but that's not all. You will also get $150 Canadian or $100 US, another free product credit, you guys. So what I want everybody to do is to hold 12 cooking classes in your 3 months. It is possible. So to keep it simple, think 4 cooking classes every single month, okay? That's it. If you hold 5 cooking classes in month 1, excellent. You are, off to a pretty good start to month 2, right? So I will be helping you guys how to do that, okay? So the best part is, honestly, is when you join Epicure, you are so excited. You will get your huge kit. You will want to do everything that you possibly can, right? Plus, you will be talking about it with everybody. Let's just say you're at your house and your Epicure kit comes in the mail and you have your sister over. Well, she will see you opening up this big kit and, going, oh my God, you got all of that stuff? That's like $400 worth of product for how much did you pay for it? Oh my God, that looks awesome. And another amazing part is it is September. Summer's almost over. Yes, I said it. I'm sorry. I said it. But people are thinking about, okay, now it's time to start eating healthy again, because all summer I was on the patio having, my cocktails, eating pizza, eating things that I probably shouldn't be. I feel yucky. Let's get to healthy eating. And, Epicure helps us do that. So now is the perfect time, right? And, this is the best time because you're excited. So how do you hold, let's just start with month 1. How do I suggest you hold 4 cooking classes month 1? the best thing to do is to host your own cooking class, because that's how everything starts. Bring everybody over that you know. Honestly, bring everybody over. Don't tell them you're here to sell them Epicure. Tell them that you will be cooking lunch or cooking dinner. Come on over, right? And then you just happen to be talking about Epicure at those cooking classes, because people will see you cooking. Ask somebody to help you cut up the chicken, or ask somebody to help you stir the chocolate pudding, whatever, right? And have catalogs on the table for people to look at. If you need more like step-by-step help on how to do the cooking classes, they do have all of that inside your back office. Under business tools, I'm not sure actually. I'd have to double check. I was just looking at it, but now I can't think about it now. But we actually do tell you guys step by step, if you need the help, what to do, what to say, all of that. I tend to just do my own thing anyway, and that seems to work for me. So that's why I'm just kind of helping you guys. But bring everybody over, because all of those people, you will be talking to them at some point about, oh, hey, well, did you know you have quite a large product list here of things that you want to purchase? Well, how about you hold your own cooking class? So I come over, you pick any theme, and we do the same thing here, because you want other people to host their own cooking classes, because they know people that you don't know. So then they bring over their people, and then you can talk to them. And all of those customers are potential customers. They will probably at least buy one thing. I find at cooking classes, on average, it's about a $60 order. So that's pretty good, right? That's more than one thing, because people will be looking through those catalogs and going, oh, well, I want this. Plus, if they're at a cooking class, they can taste everything, right? So you are being introduced to new people all the time. But you might be wondering, so why do I have the Good Italian real fast cooking kit up here? So you might be wondering, why do I have this up here? Having themes for your cooking classes is the best thing ever. So if you need to kind of have a certain theme and you want to start somewhere, this is what I suggest all of you do. So this is Canadian price, yes. So for example, let's say you want to host a cooking class on Saturday for cooking all things Italian. So anybody who wants to come to your cooking class, you could tell them, well, all you have to do is pay $30, and this will give you this Good Italian cooking kit. And then I show you guys what to make with your cooking kit. So they can either, and this is where it can get exciting. So you can either just have a normal cooking class where you are serving up some Italian, and then you can give them all this good Italian kit to take with them. So hopefully they have obviously prepaid for that, so you don't have to ask them for cash on the spot, but you can do it that way. Or everybody can open up their box and use your proteins, and then they can cook so that they have leftovers to take with them for the next day. So does that make sense? So people choose to do it two different ways. It's totally up to you. I kind of like the idea that people purchase their kit, and then you tell them perhaps what else to purchase, like which proteins, or you can purchase it for them. That's up to you. And then they all use their kit, so then that way they have leftovers to take home. So it could be a cooking class where you're teaching them how to make Italian, just pick a couple things. And definitely, you guys, make our chocolate pudding. People love that, okay? So just make that. I know it's not Italian, but make that, trust me. Anyways, so, they have something to take home. So see how you can do it a couple different ways. See what works for you. But It's kind of like those classes where they have at the store sometimes, like Zayers, where they have cooking classes. You pay a certain price and you cook, or they show you how to cook, and then you can take something home. So see how that is so much more than just saying, I sell Epicure. You're helping people cook and they can take something home. And I have another thing that I wanted to show you guys. Our pizza, okay? This isn't available in Canada yet. So I am talking specifically to those who live in the US. Pizza kits, you guys. How awesome is that? Have everybody or make one large pizza, because this tastes amazing. They can all try it. They will love it, okay? Also, though, I do suggest that if you decide to have like a pizza themed class, have them obviously buy the pizza crust, but then also our sheet pans. I wonder if that will come up right away. Our sheet pans for the pizza, yes, it will. There you go. So have them buy their sheet pans also. So you could do the same thing. You could have them pre-purchase this sheet pan, so the tinier ones, and have them purchase that pizza crust, so that's $22 plus $13 US, and have like a pizza themed night. And kids, you guys, love this. They could even bring their kids. I mean, that might get a little chaotic, I guess, depends on how you look at it, right? But kids love this. And pizza. Make your own pizza at home. That isn't being done. I mean, it's being done, but you don't see a lot of cooking classes about how to make your own pizza. But people would love that, because who doesn't love pizza? I love pizza, but eating out is just too much. You know, it's too expensive. It's not healthy. This is easier, healthier, and it tastes amazing. Okay, so each pizza crust bag, I believe, makes 2 thin pizza crusts. So as I said, everybody can make their own, although that might be tricky because you would only have the one oven, right? So it's probably better to just have them pre-purchase the kit so that you can give it to them. So like you could be doing a pizza class, and to get into the class, let's just say it's $35 US, you know, whatever, and that comes with this pizza crust package, plus those 2 sheet pans that I had shown you guys earlier, these ones here, and then have catalogs out on the table. I do suggest having other things though for them to try, like let's say you have a Caesar salad as the appetizer. Can I pull up our Caesar salad dressing? So you could just say, hey guys, like this is made, oh good, here it is. This is made from our Caesar salad mix right here. They would probably want to also purchase that. For dessert, you can make a chocolate pudding, you know, so the possibilities, you guys, are just endless, right? So try to think outside the box. I think you should all do a cooking class every single Saturday, or perhaps even say every single Saturday and every single like Tuesday evening, like 6 o'clock, because some people can't do the weekends, but then those people could come evening time after work. You know, if you try to do, let's say, 2 cooking classes per week, you are well on your way to earning all of those free product credits. So I'm just going to mention those again here because that's exciting, right? So month 1, so if you get 4 cooking classes each month, so that's 12 in total. In total, you will get, I'm just double checking, you will get $75 US free product credit plus $100 US free product credit. So that's $175 US free product credit, plus you will earn back the money that you paid for your kit, which is $150 US, plus you can attend our conference and not have to pay a thing for your ticket, you guys. So I hope these ideas help. They work, you guys, trust me. And just think about something like that. And another thing, actually, sorry, that I forgot to mention was what I like to do at cooking classes is have a prize, like a prize basket of some kind, because people love to know that if they're going somewhere, there's a chance to win a prize, you know. But how I do it too is I will only put names in the hat to win the prize for those who do order something. So I don't just give it to everybody. And I tell people that if you order just one thing, you guys, you will get a chance to win this $100 like free prize package, or you know, $25 free prize package. That's totally up to you, but it is money well spent, because who doesn't like prizes? And you will have one happy customer. Okay, so just some ideas. I'll save some more ideas though for another video, because this is probably getting long now, sorry. But good luck, you guys. Start thinking, start making notes of your first cooking class, who you will be you know, asking to come, and then mention to all of those people there, hey, would you like to hold your own cooking class? It really is this easy, and you can get all of these products and not have to pay anything. So keep telling people, you guys. It can be at home, online, whatever you want, but share your love for Epicure, because Epicure is just awesome. And your first 3 months, you have so many free product credits that you could have, that now is the time. If you guys need help, please let me know. I hope you're excited. I'm so excited. And sorry again that you can't see me properly because of my lighting. I do hope to get the ring light soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon.